Sean MacPherson, and this is my 15112 term project. So I use tkinter and pill along with sockets, threads, and queues to make a basic game. So my game is a car chase game. Here we go, we're going to launch it. Here we go. So it's called Pursuit, and the object of the game is to run away from the cops, pretty much. So this is the UI. There's a little animation of a cop chasing a car around. I have high scores up in the left-hand corner, play, settings, help, and multiplayer. First off, we're going to learn how to play. These are the instructions. So here we have 4 goals of the game. Avoid the cops, avoid crashing into the buildings, run the cops into the walls to accumulate points, and survive for as long as possible. So for every point that you get, for every 5 points that you get, the level will increment and the difficulty will get slightly harder. More cops will spawn, they'll be faster. And at level 3, cops will actually start spawning directly behind you, which makes it harder. So you can practice driving this car around. The controls are pretty simple. A for acceleration, D for deceleration / reverse. Right arrow is to turn right, left arrow is to turn left. And the car actually follows real physics. So if I take my finger off the A, then it'll decelerate due to simulated friction, and it turns in an arc. There we go. So now we're going to play. There we go. So right away, there's a cop on you, and then the timer in the upper right-hand corner signifies when the next group of cops will spawn. And as I said before, the higher level you get, the more cops will spawn, and the faster they will be. So there are currently 4 cops in pursuit, as you can see in the upper right-hand corner, and that's signified in green. So object of the game is to run cops into the buildings, which are randomly generated. So there we go, just got some points. And this game is actually a side scroller, so you can scroll in both directions. And there is a boundary to the game, just to make it, losable. So the cops can actually catch you. And then say they catch me, I will be prompted to enter a name. So I'll put Sean 3. And then if I return to the title, there I am, Sean 3 on the high scores, and I got a score of 2. So you can actually toggle some of the settings in the game. You can turn a police marker on, which just is that, and that shows up in the game too. And then you can change the start level. So say I want it to be more difficult right from the get-go. So I changed it to 7. And then now when the police spawner gets down to 0, there will be a lot more cops on the screen. And then there we go, I got caught. Put in a name, Sean again. Return the title. There I am, Sean with 0. And then I can actually change the wall frequency. So I want it at 9. That's going to be a lot of walls. I'll put it at 10 actually. A lot of walls. Oh, and you can also return to the title by pausing and return the title. So look, there's a lot of walls there. And you can pause and unpause. And then yeah, the cops will spawn. This mode is a lot easier. There we go. And I actually made a multiplayer version using sockets as well. So click on multiplayer, open up another one. Another window there. Also click on multiplayer, and then you can open the server by creating a game. You join your own game, and then the other one, the remote client, will find the game, and you input the IP address, which is given right here of the server side computer, and that will connect. Didn't work, 1 sec. There we go, that connected, okay. And then you can play like this, and the cars start on top of each other, but so I'm playing with the right-hand screen, and now I'm going to play with the left-hand screen, and this is just like a fun way, I guess you can like drive around with your friends. There's no real game here, but there it is. They're both synced. Alright. So yeah, that is my 15112 term project. Thanks for watching.